Meeting protein goals becomes increasingly important as adults age, but age-related changes such as reduced appetite, slower digestion, dental issues, or decreased mobility can make it challenging for older adults to consume adequate protein. Fortunately, practical strategies exist that make it easier to reach daily protein targets while supporting muscle maintenance, bone health, immune function, and overall vitality. By combining high-quality protein sources, fortifying meals, and using thoughtful food preparation techniques, older adults can ensure they are consistently consuming sufficient protein in a way that is both enjoyable and sustainable. One of the most effective strategies is to enrich meals with protein wherever possible. Simple adjustments can significantly increase protein content without drastically increasing portion size. For example, adding eggs, Greek yogurt, or cottage cheese to breakfast oatmeal, smoothie, or porridge provides a concentrated protein boost along with vitamins and minerals. Mixing milk or fortified plant-based milk into cereals or soups, sprinkling seeds or nuts on salads, or incorporating cheese into vegetables or pasta dishes can elevate protein intake while keeping meals familiar and palatable. These small but strategic additions allow older adults to reach protein targets even if overall food intake is modest. Using protein-fortified or enriched foods is another practical approach. Many older adults may benefit from products such as protein-enriched bread, cereals, pasta, or snack bars, which provide additional protein without requiring large meal volumes. Protein powders, whether whey, soy, pea, or blended plant proteins, can be incorporated into smoothies, soups, or baked goods, making them convenient tools for boosting daily intake. These products are particularly helpful for seniors recovering from illness, surgery, or periods of inactivity, when protein demands are elevated and appetite may be lower. Fortified foods also allow for precise protein dosing, making it easier to meet individualized targets based on body weight, activity level, or clinical needs. Combining plant-based proteins strategically is crucial for those following vegetarian or vegan diets. Individual plant proteins are often incomplete, meaning they lack one or more essential amino acids, but consuming complementary proteins together ensures a complete amino acid profile. Examples include combining rice with beans, hummus with whole grain bread, lentils with quinoa, or tofu with whole grains. By distributing complementary plant proteins across meals and snacks, older adults can obtain all essential amino acids, maintain muscle protein synthesis, and support bone, immune, and metabolic health without relying solely on animal products. Attention to protein timing and distribution further enhances effectiveness. Research indicates that spreading protein intake evenly across meals, rather than concentrating it in a single meal, optimizes muscle protein synthesis and helps preserve lean body mass. For instance, older adults might include 20 to 30 grams of protein at breakfast, lunch, and dinner, supplemented by protein-rich snacks such as cheese sticks, yogurt, boiled eggs, or nuts. This approach provides a steady supply of amino acids throughout the day, supporting muscle maintenance, metabolic function, and tissue repair, while improving satiety and energy balance. Meal preparation techniques can make protein more accessible and easier to consume. Soft-cooked, blended, or pureed protein sources, such as soups with lentils, beans, shredded chicken, or fish, can be easier to eat for seniors with dental issues or swallowing difficulties. Pre-cooked protein options, such as roasted chicken, hard-boiled eggs, or baked tofu, allow for quick meal assembly and reduce barriers to consistent protein consumption. Batch cooking and freezing protein-rich meals or portions ensures that nutritious options are always available, minimizing reliance on convenience foods that may be low in protein. Snacking strategically between meals is another practical tip. Protein-rich snacks help older adults meet targets without requiring large meals, and they provide additional benefits such as stable blood sugar, sustained energy, and enhanced satiety. Examples include Greek yogurt with berries, roasted chickpeas, nuts or seeds, protein shakes, edamame, or cheese with whole grain crackers. These snacks can be tailored to dietary preferences and cultural patterns, ensuring enjoyment while contributing meaningfully to daily protein intake. Pairing protein with other nutrients enhances its effectiveness and overall health impact. For example, combining protein with vitamin C-rich fruits or vegetables can support collagen synthesis and wound healing, while pairing protein with calcium and vitamin D-rich foods reinforces bone health. Protein combined with fiber from whole grains, fruits, and vegetables supports digestive health, stabilizes blood sugar, and promotes metabolic resilience. Attention to nutrient synergy allows older adults to gain maximal benefit from protein intake while supporting broad aspects of health and longevity. Ultimately, meeting protein goals in aging populations requires a multifaceted, practical approach. By enriching meals, using fortified products, combining plant proteins strategically, distributing intake evenly across the day, and integrating convenient meal prep and snacks, older adults can reliably meet their protein needs. These strategies preserve lean muscle mass, enhance bone strength, support immune function, and improve metabolic health, all of which contribute to functional independence, vitality, and quality of life. Protein becomes not just a nutrient, but a versatile and practical tool that empowers older adults to age with strength, resilience, and confidence.